Do you want to be able to allow camera access on your Snapchat? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And actually, to be able to do this, you need to exit your Snapchat app. So actually close your Snapchat app, and then we're going to go into our settings app instead. So go into your settings app like here, as you can see. Now I'm just going to scroll down, so keep scrolling down until you can find Snapchat in here. So keep scrolling down. And perfect. As you can see, I have Snapchat in here, which is perfect. So now what I'm going to do when I have like my Snapchat app right here, as you can see, is to just quickly find where it says camera in here, as you can see. So like find camera in here. And if you have this one disabled right here, then you can just basically allow camera access by just allowing camera in here, as you can see. And that is just exactly how you can do this. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.